autographs.
Oh. 3? How many would you get?
There you go. Take one each. And then on the way back, there's more left. Take more.
Right there.
All right.
There you go. That's something.
I was there when we were his age.
Oh,
When they
really?
used to give people rides on the
Right,
track.
in the cars?
Yeah. Oh my
That's how they
gosh.
gave you a ride, huh?
Probably. Oh my God. My brother would be so
There you
excited
go.
to say thank you.
Yeah, I'm still at it.
Good luck. Wow.
There you go. How you doing? Having fun?
Huh?
There you go. Thank you. Okay. Did you grab a candy? These trucks, most of them, you go side by side within an 1/8 inch of each other and never touch. Wow.
That's what you guys should do. Yeah, that's the room for waiting.
8th to 17th, it's the LA Street Fair concert, Ride to next Saturday night. We also want to remind everybody we've got 2 very awesome programs we're proud of here. We have our family section in Section 8 that is a no alcohol section. And we also have a great partnership between
Philip Block, and to the inside of Block is the 43 from Oak Hills, the Cowboy, Kenny Smith. Tahoe Super Truck season underway in 2011. Green flag. Oh, trucks all over the place going into turn number 1 at the back of the pack. Lugnut, I think he lost by a lot, by the way. You're out of shape, buddy. It's week 1. I'll give you some time. It's okay. Big trouble going into 4, it looks like. They're 3 wide. This is not what lap 1 of the late model race looked like. Not leading his first lap back in a super truck. Big sponsorship from MV2 helping them out for the first couple races of the year. Looking to make that a full-time gig. He's getting them lots of fun right now, I'll tell you that. Cameron and Arena are door-to-door for 2nd. And then it's Partridge and Kimball door-to-door for 4th. Quite a bit. Make that the first 7 trucks back to Andrew Anderson, number 37. 32 of Fortier to the infield. Tough start of the season for Ryan Fortier. Picked up his first win last year. 3 wide down the front stretch. 3 of the fastest trucks at the Speedway. As a matter of fact, first, second, and third in points last year are 3 wide. And Arena way up the track into the wall. Partridge backs off, gives him some room. Partridge, Cameron, and Kimball were 3 wide. Partridge looked like he got a little wiggle and moves up the track. And like Danny Mailer's going to pull the crossover. Dennis Arena is, I think, holding them up a little bit right now at 34. And it's letting Connor Cantrell just pull away out in front. 1 second lead for the 9, 5 laps into his return to this class. Starting to look like Connor Cantrell never left to win a Speedway at Irwindale. 3 wide. Cameron into Arena and sideways, and he hangs on. Well, I tell you one thing about these Kinzako Super Trucks, there is nothing about them. you through 3, out of 4. Ladies and gentlemen, just like last year, Ryan Partridge wins and Tom Cameron spins to the infield and just misses, hitting the barrier. Tom Cameron's going to go for
staying low a lot of the time, and they kept coming up on the outside of them, kept me busy, letting them know that they were there. So, good race. We did good.
We did good. We did very good. Truck's close. Truck's real close.
Man, that was a lot of fun. We're going to see what happens here the next time.
You guys having a good
Good job, everybody. Thank you very, very much for all the help.